gifts from heaven for all the people, worshiping God under the steeple. Brown rivers choked with silt, filled with refuse and filth. Banks of soggy, muddy grit, covered with greasy, moldy kid. Gray skies filled with smoke. Children run and fall and choke. Daily run of chemical barrels, filling the shipping and railroad cars. Blue skies, yellow sun, white clouds, purple mountains, green fields. Wondering what all this nature and life yields. Gifts from heaven for all the people, worshiping God under the steeple. Land no more good for planting, great for real estate ranting. Loaded with PFAS and PCB, build a house made of money. Cancer, emphysema, kidney disease. Doctors take tests and bills with ease. Babies born deformed and listless. Medical companies look on pitiless. Blue skies, yellow sun, white clouds, purple mountains, green fields. Wondering what all this nature and life yields. Gifts from heaven for all the people, worshiping God under the steeple. While the people dying for gold children, politicians commanded by industry then ensure more people come. Promise money and beat the drum. American dreams swallowed up in smoke. Cities and farms, hear the children choke. No excuses needed anymore. Even the evil know what's in store. Blue skies, yellow sun, white clouds, purple mountains, green fields. Wondering what all this nature and life yields. Gifts from heaven for all the people, worshiping God under the steeple. Blue skies, yellow sun, white clouds, purple mountains, green fields. Wondering what all this nature and life yields. Gifts from heaven for all the people, worshiping God under the steeple. Blue skies, yellow sun, white clouds, purple mountains, green fields. Wondering what all this nature and life yields. Gifts from heaven for all the people, worshiping God